So we already learned these two identity formulas. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. These two we already learned in the previous class, right? In today's class, a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Once again, a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, so these are the three formulas we are going to learn and use it for today's class. Okay, keep learning these three formulas. Based on this, we'll be solving the question. Now, exercise 4.3. Find the following squares using one of the above identities. So I have shown three identities, right? You can use any one identities to find out the answer for the question. So determine which of the identities will make the calculation easier. Okay, which one will make the calculation easier, right? So 117 can be split into many different ways. Which one it will be easy to get the answer, we have to check. Now 117, so we can just write it in two possible way, right? 117 we can just write it as, okay, 100 plus, okay, 10 plus 7 the whole square. This is also possible. If you are writing this as, okay, 100 plus 10 plus 7 the whole square means you have to write it as a plus b plus c the whole square. The third identity we have to use. Or, so I don't want to use this. Means we can just write 117 as 100 plus 17 the whole square. That means you can use a plus b the whole square. Okay, two possible ways there, right? Whichever you are feeling comfortable, you can just go with, right? So we already discussed this type of questions in the previous class, right? I'm just taking the answer alone. Okay, 117 the whole square is equal to 100 plus 17 the whole square. We're just using the identity a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So in the place of a, we have to take it as 100. Here, a is 100. This we can just take it as a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 17. Just replace with the formula. Okay, a square 100 square plus 2 into a is 100 into b value is 17 plus 17 square. 100 square is 10,000 plus 2 into 17 34. 34 into 20 we can take it up. 3,400 plus 17 square is 289. So just add everything. So the final answer is 13,689. Okay, 13,689 is the answer. Now the second question, 78 square. Okay, 78 square also we can just write it in many different way, right? That is our convenience. This can be written as, right? If you want to use 78 the whole square, we can write like this also. 80 minus 2 the whole square also we can write. If you are writing 80 minus 2 means you have to use a minus b the whole square. No sir, I don't want to use minus means. So another way also we can just write. So 78 the whole square we can write it as 70 plus 8 the whole square. So like this also we can write. Okay. So I'm just going with 70 plus 8 as 72, right? So I'm just going to give you the answer. 78 whole square we can write it as 70 plus 8 the whole square. Using the same identity a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, from this I'm just taking a is equal to 70 and so b is equal to 8. Substitute the place of a is equal to 70, b is equal to 8, 70 square. Okay, 7 square is 49, take 2 0. Okay, 4,900 plus 2 sevens are 14. 14 into 8. Okay, 112. 10. 8 square is 64. So if you are adding, the final answer is 6084. 6084. Now, third question. Okay, 198. I am just splitting as 200 minus 2 the whole square. Okay, if you are writing as this is as 100 plus 98 the whole square means, so the calculation will be little extra. You have to find out 98 square. So avoid taking 100 plus 98 the whole square. So instead of that, we can take it as 200 minus 2 the whole square. Okay, so a minus b the whole square formula you can use. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so now here a value in this a is equal to 200, a is equal to 200 and b is equal to 2. B is equal to 2. Replace a is equal to 200 and b is equal to 2. So 200 square is okay 40,000 and 2 into 2 is 4, again 4 2s are 8, so 800 plus 2 square is 4. Right? First of all, you have to use the board mass rule. Okay, first bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay, first you have to do the addition here. 40,000 plus 4 is 40,004 minus 800. So the answer is 39,204. So fourth one is 200 plus 14 the whole square. Use the formula a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, here a is equal to 200. Okay, so in this a is equal to 200 and b is equal to 14. Just replace a with 200 and b with 14. So 200 square, that is 40,000 plus 2 2s are 4. 4 into 14, 56. So 5,600 and 14 square is 196. So it's equal to, right, if you are adding everything, so the final answer is 45,796. Okay, this is the final answer. Right. Next, fifth question. Okay, fifth question, 1,104 the whole square. 1,104 the whole square. Okay, so this also can be split in many ways. If you are splitting as 1,000 plus 104 the whole square, again the calculation will become lengthy. So avoid taking that. So I'm just taking 1,104 as 1,000 plus 100 plus 4 the whole square. This will be easy. So 1,000 plus 100 plus 4 the whole square. So I'm going to use the formula a plus b plus c the whole square. Okay, so here we have a is equal to 1,000, a is 1,000 and b is 100 and c is 4. So write the formula and replace the value. A plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Only thing is you have to replace with a is 1,000, b is 100, c is 4. Okay, expand the formula. Okay, so now 1,000 the whole square, 1,000 into 1,000. Okay, so you'll be getting 1,000. This is 1,000 lakhs. So we are getting 10 lakhs. Next 100 square, 100 into 100. Okay, 10,000. 4 square, 16. Next 2 into 1,000 is 2,000. 2,000 into again 100. You have to add two more zeros. Okay, so we're getting as 2 lakhs plus 2 into 100. 200 into 4 is 800. 2 fours are 8. 8 into 1,000 is 8,000. So we have to add everything. Okay, so keep adding it. So you have to get the answer as, okay, this is 1,000 lakhs. Okay, 12 lakhs 18,816. Now this is 1,120 the whole square. 1,120 the whole square. 1,000 plus 100 plus 20 the whole square. 1,000 plus 100 plus 20 the whole square. Now here A value is 1000. A is equal to 1000. So B is equal to 100 and C is equal to 20. I just substitute the value. A plus B plus C the whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So replace A with 1000, B with 100, C with 20. Now just replace the value A, B, C, right? So finally you will be getting the answer as, now this is 1000, this is lakhs. So 12 lakhs 54,400. 12 lakhs 54,400 is the answer, right? So up to this we just use the expanding formula, right? So number is given, we just expanded using the formula, we got the answer. Okay, expanded, we have done it. So next one is factorize. Okay, next one we are going to do the factorize. So expanded form is given. Expanded form means without bracket. So we have to write it in factor format. Factor form means with bracket we have to write. So based on the three identities, okay, based on the three identities we are going to write. If you want to use the identities, so make sure that first and last number should be a perfect square number. This is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square format. Okay, I'm going to use a square, okay, minus 2ab plus b square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, actually the question is in this format. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So for this we know the formula a minus b the whole square. Okay, expanded formula is given. So we have to write it in factor format. From this you have to find out what is a, what is b. That's it. We can write the answer. So without doing the steps also you can just get the answer, right? What is a means, so here a it will be 4y. So b value it will be 3. So 4y minus 3 the whole square is the answer. Okay. The one thing is we should not take the number as it is. A means 16y we should not take. We have to write in the form of a the whole square. Format we have to write. Okay, just write once again. 16, here the question is given 16 y square minus 24y plus 9 is given. 16, which square is 16? You have to find out. So it can be written as 4y the whole square. Okay, 4y the whole square minus, okay, leave this gap. First you find out a square, I found out, plus b, 9 can be written as 3 the whole square. Now this is my a value, this is my b value. After finding a and b, now we can just write minus 2 into a value 4y into b value 3. If you multiply this, you will be getting 24. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 3s are 24. Y we are getting as. Therefore, from this, what is a value? 4y is the a value minus b value is 3. Okay, 3 the whole square. Now this is the answer. Right, so now the second question. Okay, 9 by 4 s square plus 6 st plus 4 t square. Okay, so we are going to, everything is plus. Okay, therefore we can just use the formula using, okay, so using, this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square format. Okay. So first I got to just split what is a and what is b we have to find, right? So write the question. So question is given as 9 by 4. So 9 by 4 s square plus 6 st plus 4 t square. Okay, 9 by 4, the square we can write it as 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2, yes, the whole square. If you are taking square for this, you will be getting 9 by 4 s square. So plus, so second one just leave it. Then find out b value. So 4t the whole square means you can write 2t the whole square. Okay, 2t the whole square. Now this is our a value, this is our b value. Just substitute the formula 2 into a value 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2 s means 3s by 2 into 2t. If you simplify this, you will be getting 6st. 2 will get cancelled. 3 2s are 6. 6 into st, 6st. Now from this I can just take, this is my a value, this is my b value. Formula a plus b, that is 3 by 2 yes plus 2t the whole square. Okay, this is the answer. Factorize. Third question, m square by 9 plus mk by 3 plus k square by 4 plus 3nk plus 2mn plus 9n square. By seeing this, you can easily identify whether you are going to use a plus b the whole square or a plus b plus c the whole square. Here we have three terms, right? A plus b plus c the whole square. Okay. Now we are going to use, I'm just going to apply a plus b plus c the whole square, but they are order is changed. Okay. Order is changed. This is square. Okay. And this is square. Next one is here. 9n square is here. So we have to just reorder it, then you can just do it. Okay. So I'm just rearranging it. So we will be getting m square by 9 plus, so next one is k square by 4, k square by 4. Next I am bringing 9n square. Okay, next plus mk by 3 plus 3nk plus 2mn. Okay. Now, so you can just compare with the formula. Okay, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. The formula it will be a plus b plus c the whole square. We have to get what is a, b, c. That is the answer. Using, okay, using a, this is given us in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal. This is expanded form is given. You have to write the factor form. Factor form is a plus b plus c the whole square. From this I have to find out what is a, what is b, what is c. Okay. So directly also we can just write. Okay. I can find out a value. Right. A is going to be m by 3 the whole square. Correct. So that we'll be getting a square is this. So I'm just writing directly here. A is going to be m by 3. Right. A square is m square by 9. So a it will be m by 3. Correct. Now b value. So b value k by 2. Right. So b square is k square by 4. P value it will be k by 2. If you are taking square, we'll be getting this. Now, C value, okay, C value, C square is 9n square. C value will 3n. So 3n the whole square will be getting 9n square. So we got what is A, B, C. So the formula is A plus B plus C the whole square. So directly also we can write. So, okay, therefore, right, so the answer is A plus B plus C the whole square is equal to, so we can just take it as m by 3, okay, plus k by 2, 3n, okay, 3n the whole square, 3n the whole square. If you expanding this, we'll be getting this. Okay. So when we'll be having problem means, if suppose any minus sign is coming inside, that time only will be having confused. If it's everything is plus, no issue. Easily you can just get what is A, B, C and write the formula. In case, you can just see the fifth question. Here minus is coming in between. So we have to check which one is going to take minus value, A, B or C. Okay, here you have to be little careful. For this you have to expand everything. then you have to take it up. Now, fourth question. Okay, as here everything is positive, I'm going with this shortcut. If it's negative, you have to write. Then only we'll be getting it. Okay. Now, the fourth one. So p square by 16 minus 2 plus 16 by p square. Okay. Here as minus is coming with a square. So we are going to use the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square formula. Okay. So here using this is the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b the whole square. Okay, so I'm just writing the question. So b square by 16 minus 2 plus 16 by p square. So we have to write in the form of a the whole square. So we can write it as p by 4. P by 4 the whole square. If you expand this, p square is p square, 4 square is 16. Now minus, so leave this blank. Okay, leave this as blank. Now plus b I have to find out. So 4 by p. 4 by p the whole square. If you expand this, we are getting this. Now this is a square and b square. So a value, now minus 2 ab. So a value is p by 4 into b value is 4 by p. If you simplify, this 4 get cancelled, p get cancelled, will be getting only minus 2. Okay. So therefore, we can just write it as the formula is a minus b the whole square, that is p by 4 minus 4 by p the whole square. Okay. Now this is the answer. Now, so fifth question. Fifth question, by seeing this, we are going to use a square plus b square plus c square. But here in between minus is coming, so we should be little careful. Right. So here also I'm just going to use using a square plus b square plus c square. It's a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to, the formula is a plus b plus c the whole square. But everywhere we are not going to get plus, some value is going to get minus. A we are not getting, a also is coming minus here. So we have to find out which one is going to take minus value, a, b or c. While just expanding, we will come to know. So actually this is the formula a square plus b square plus c square. And the formula that should be 2ab plus 2bc has to come. So bc place is interchange. So I'm just rewriting the formula, rewriting the question. So how will you write the question? So it can be written as 9a square, okay, plus 9b square plus, c square minus 12ab. Okay, I'm just rewriting minus 4bc plus 6ac. Okay, according to the formula format, I am just bringing it. AB, BC and CA. CA is nothing but AC. Okay. Now we have to check, right? So now just convert 9a square as, okay, a the whole square format we have to bring. How will you make it as, this can be written as 3a the whole square and plus 4 means you can write it as 2b, okay, the whole square plus c means c the whole square. Okay, from this directly we cannot write what is a, b, c. Why? Because inside we have minus. So like this directly we cannot write. Everything is plus means, so this is the answer. Directly we can write. Here minus also is coming inside, so we have to check which is going to take minus. For finding which is going to take minus, I said, right, these two numbers are having minus. Okay, minus 12ab minus 4bc. Correct? These two having minus. So what is common for both? Here b is coming. Here also b is coming. Therefore, b will take the minus value. Easily can understand. Okay. So b I have to take the minus. So I'm just going to choose for b value is minus. Okay. Now the final answer, what will come the final answer? 3a plus of minus 2b plus 3 plus c the whole square. That is the final answer. A plus b plus c the whole square. Anyway, we'll just write and expand this, right? Now we have to write it as a square plus b square plus c square format we have written, and 2ab format. 2a value we have to take it as 3a, 2a, b value we have to take it as minus 2b. 2ab plus 2bc, b value is minus 2b, c value is c only, 2bc plus 2ca, okay, 2ca or 2ac. So a value is 3a into c value is c only. If you are just expanding this, you will be getting this. You can just recheck. So 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. So minus 12 AB. 2 2s are 4. Okay, minus 4 BC. 2 3s are 6. 6 AC we are getting is. So therefore, from this I can just write the formula is A plus B plus C. Right. So 3A plus B will come. So in the place of plus B, we are having minus 2B. Okay. Plus C the whole square. Okay, this is the expanded for this. Okay, so 3a minus 2b plus c the whole square. If you are expanding this, you will be getting this. So expand the following using identity. We have to use a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So here is given p plus 3q plus 7q. The whole square is given. Hmm? Right, so you can just write. So in this place, what is a value? So a is equal to p and b is equal to 3q and c is equal to 7r. So write the formula, then expand. So you will be getting the answer. Right, so using the formula using, okay, using a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Right, so just expand. Right, in the place of a you substitute, b substitute, and c substitute. Right, therefore I'm just writing is equal to a means p value. Okay, so p square plus 3q the whole square plus 7r the whole square plus, so 2 into a value is p into b value is 3q plus, so 2 into b value is 3q into c value 7r. Okay, done. Plus, so 2 into c value is 7r into c into a value is p. Now just simplify it, so you'll be getting the answer. Right now this is equal to p square plus 3 square is 9, okay, q square plus 7 square is 49, okay, r square plus 2 3s are 6 pq plus 2 3s are 6, okay, 6 7s are 42, 42 qr plus 2 7s are 14, 14 rp. Okay, now p square plus 9q square plus 49 r square plus 6 pq plus 42 qr plus 14 rp. So now this is the answer. Second one is given as, so 3x minus 2y plus 4z the whole square. From this you find out what is a is equal to 3x, and so b place we have minus 2y and c is equal to 4z. So write the formula and replace. So we know the formula, writes a plus b plus c, the a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Okay, so replace the formula. So A square means you'll be getting 3x the whole square. Okay, 3x the whole square plus B square minus 2y the whole square plus C square 4z the whole square. Okay, now plus 2 into A value is 3x, B value is minus 2y, 2AB plus 2BC. So B value is minus 2y, C value 4z, 2BC is over plus 2 into CA, C value is 4z into A value is 3x. Simplify, you will be getting the answer. Okay, so 3 square is 9x square. So minus 2 the whole square, minus 2 into minus 2, it will become plus. Okay, plus 4y square plus 4 square is 16 is z square plus 2 3s are 6. 6 into minus 2. So 6 into minus 2 will be getting minus. Okay, minus 6 2s are 12. Okay, 12 x y. Here also is minus is coming. 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16. So minus 16 y is z. Okay, here everything is plus. 4 2 4s are 8. 8 3s are 24. So 24 is that x. Okay. Now the final answer is 9x square plus 4y square plus 16 is z square minus 12xy minus 16yz plus 24 is that x. Okay. So which one will take the minus value means you can just easily identify. Okay. Which is having common. For these two minus is coming means here y is coming, here also y is coming. So y is taking minus. That is, what is that? Ah, y is taking minus. That is b value is taking minus. Right. So only one more question. Okay, then this exercise it will be over. Fourth question. Is this an identity? They are asking, is this an identity? So identity means the left hand side and right hand side should be equal. So we are going to check whether the left hand side and right hand side is going to be equal or not. Okay. So we can just take this is our LHS. Okay, LHS. Okay, and this is our RHS. Okay, RHS. Okay, to check first I'm just taking LHS. I'm just taking LHS. I'm going to simplify LHS. If I get the same RHS, the identity. Otherwise, this is not an identity. So LHS is given A plus B minus C the whole square. Okay, plus A minus B plus C the whole square plus A minus B minus C the whole square. So for everything, we are going to use the formula A plus B plus C the whole square. Okay, that is the formula I am going to use. Okay, so using the formula, okay, using A plus B plus C the whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Okay, so for three case, this is one, this is one, this is two. For the three terms, we have to use the formula. So you expand. Now use the formula A square plus B square plus C square. That is given as minus. Okay, B square, A square plus B square plus B square, C square plus 2AB. Okay, 2AB. Okay, 2AB plus 2BC. C is taking minus. Okay, 2BC plus 2C. C is taking minus 2CA. Okay, one thing is over. Okay, up to this is one part is over. Okay, this is one part. Next, so plus again use the same formula A square plus b square, okay, plus c square plus 2ab 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 plus 2bc, okay, 2b means minus b, 2b into c plus 2ca, okay, c value is c, a value is positive only. Now this is second term explanation. Now again third one, a minus b the whole square means again you have to take plus, okay, I'm just continuing, plus for this a square, okay, a square, so plus b square plus c square, okay, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab 2a, b value is minus b 2ab plus 2bc 2bc plus 2ca, okay, ca, that's it. So now we have to just expand, okay, expand this, okay, so if we are just expanding it, so whatever is coming, so you have to write, so what is coming, a square, okay, this is the lengthiest question, okay, a square plus b square, okay, minus c square, okay, plus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. So here, right, so a square plus b square plus c square, okay, while taking minus c the whole square, it will become plus, correct. Now, where we left, so 2 minus 2ca, now next we came here, a square, again, minus b the whole square means it will become plus, okay, a square plus b square plus c square, okay, minus 2ab minus 2 here, multiply 2bc plus 2ca plus again a square plus b square plus c square, okay, here minus is coming, so minus 2ab minus into minus, here minus into minus it will become plus, plus 2bc, okay, here minus 2ca. So now we have to check, okay, how many times a square, right? So we have here 1a square, 2a square, okay, 3a square. So total we have 3a square, okay, 1, 2, 3a square. I'm just writing as, so directly 3a square plus how many b square? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3b square. So 3b square we have plus c square also we have 3c square. Now we have to check anything is getting cancelled. Okay, anything is getting cancelled. Okay, 2ab here minus 2ab. Okay, this plus 2ab minus 2ab cancel. Next minus 2bc, here also minus 2bc, and here plus 2bc. We can cancel minus 2bc plus 2bc. Minus 2ca, here plus 2ca. Plus 2ca is cancelled. So balance we can write. So balance is what? So minus 2. So we have minus 2, minus 2bc. So next we left out minus 2ab minus 2ab, and we left out minus 2ca. Okay, so this is the left out answer. In LHS we are getting this, but in the RHS we have to get only 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square. Actually, so this is not coming as RHS. Okay, so we can just write it as LHS, okay, is not equal to RHS. We can just say LHS is not equal to RHS. So therefore, this is not an identity. Therefore, this is not an identity. This is not an identity. Identity means both the sides should be equal.